Welcome to our exploration of the diverse applications of AI across various industries. From finance to healthcare, AI is transforming processes, enhancing efficiency, and driving innovation in ways we never imagined before. In the finance sector, AI and RPA streamline processes like invoice entry and payments. Personalization and dynamic pricing are enhanced through automated campaigns, optimizing customer engagement and operational efficiency. Partnering with a data and AI expert can revolutionize your business operations. By establishing a robust data strategy and infrastructure, companies can leverage AI to transform processes and enhance customer experiences. Our case studies highlight the power of AI in data management. From observability and governance to data cleanroom solutions, AI enables efficient data processing, cost reduction, and enhanced decision-making capabilities. AI-driven solutions in speech analytics and image analytics are reshaping industries. These technologies enable real-time transcription accuracy and guided shopping experiences, enhancing customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. In healthcare, AI automates appointment scheduling and billing processes, reducing costs and improving patient satisfaction. These advancements ensure efficient operations and enhance the overall healthcare experience. AI-based form filling solutions streamline patient onboarding, eliminating manual data entry and reducing errors. This innovation enhances efficiency and patient satisfaction, showcasing AI's transformative impact in healthcare. Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI's transformative role across industries. As AI continues to evolve, its potential to drive innovation and efficiency remains limitless, promising a future of endless possibilities.